Minister Chadzamira claims Mnangagwa is a God-given leader. The 16th of August 2025, MASVINGO. Masvingo Provincial Affairs and Devolution Minister Ezra Chadzamira has stirred debate after declaring President Emmerson Mnangagwa God-given leader during a cash grant handover ceremony. The remarks come as ZANU-PF faces mounting scrutiny over the timing of empowerment initiatives ahead of the Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, scheduled for September 13th. On Thursday, 26 members of the Cross-Border Traders for ED Masvingo chapter received $20,000 in cash grants under the Presidential Empowerment Scheme, with individuals receiving between $200 and $500. The funds were facilitated by Dr. Paul Tungwarera, the Presidential Investment Advisor to the United Arab Emirates. Speaking at the event, Chadzamira lauded the president, saying, "Our president, Dr. CDED Mnangagwa, was anointed by God to lead this country. He has been driving development initiatives that align with Vision 2030 and empower ordinary Zimbabweans." The minister also urged beneficiaries to make effective use of the funding, noting, "I expect you to grow your businesses and create wealth for your families. Ensuring this support leads to tangible development in our communities." Cross-Borders for ED National Chairperson David Masor echoed the praise, commending Mnangagwa's policies for leaving no one and no place behind. He further thanked Dr. Tungwarera for his role in securing the funding and highlighted Chadzamira's efforts in providing affordable residential stands for members in Masvingo province. Beneficiaries drawn from all 7 districts of Masvingo received their funds amid pomp and ceremony. However, political analysts caution that such disbursements, taking place just weeks before the by-election, risk being perceived as an attempt to influence voter sentiment.